how to link and connect your account on DeviantArt with your Upwork profile. Hello guys, so all what you have to do, go to Upwork. This is the home page, as you can see right here. Now all what you have to do is simple. Just go right here in the top, click on settings, and now go here, profile settings, and scroll down. You will find linked accounts. Click on DeviantArt and you will be able to connect it from here, as you can see. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later.